Hello everyone and welcome back to another trading session. Today we will take some trades in the direction of the trend so we can have the best possible results. I'm waiting for this candle to close. I want to go with the buyers. I really love to see a gap down. We have a very small gap down right here. And you can see that we have major and minor uptrend. We had a couple of opportunities which they already worked out. As you can see, there will be a decision point which already played out. Also another one up here. Just like that. See how beautiful it is. Respected resistance, created the decision point right here. We go to lower time frame. The entry will be somewhere down here. Okay, and now we took this trade because we are in the direction of the trend, and we have this trend line, market moving this way. If it closes as a red one, I will double the trade for the next candle. I wish we break this level. It will be a third touch breakout. Break or close. All right, I go two trades right here. We got this gap down in the favor of buyers. We got the market sequence and major and minor uptrend. I believe this one will give us at least a small green candle. It would be much better if we were breaking this so we could have a third touch breakout. Okay, so the first trade was a risky trade, but in the direction of the trend. Today's trades will be all in the direction of major and minor trend. Let's see how this trade will play out. If we lose this one, it will be 3 losses back to back. As the general rule of thumb, we will stop after 3 losses back to back for at least 15 minutes, and then we will back into the chart again. Okay, it's about to close. Yeah, I know so many of you were praying to lose this trade to see what will happen next. You know, it's pretty simple. If we were losing this trade, we could just stop for some time and then come back later. It happens for all of you. I know that. I took the first trade because we were breaking the overlapping level, and this was a evening star, so it could give us some candle like that, but it didn't. It's totally fine. We count on the next trade in the direction of the trend. We got the gap down, and yeah, we won the trade. Okay, okay, I really want to take this terrible entry. This is a third touch breakout with the exhaustion candle. I know I'm doing some risky moves. This entry is terrible entry, and it's just out of FOMO, fear of missing out. Yeah, we lost it. It's totally fine. We lost this because of me trying to get into this trade no matter what, even though the proper entry was already gone. So yeah, I think I deserved to lose this trade. Let me just move on. Today we really need to take some good trades. It seems that, you know, I am taking the trades that they are not good. Oh, look at that. Very respected support. Supply area, this is the decision point. The market respected beautifully. Oh, nice little exhaustion candle, but it's not closing on somewhere that I can enter. That's why I'm just going to avoid this. Today's market, it seems that it's not going to give us some beautiful entries. Yeah. If you see this kind of market, you just need to stop, man, because there's no setup. Market looks choppy as hell. I mean, we like the choppiness because we can take common point of rejection trades, but sometimes the market is very bad. It doesn't respect any setup. and you just need to stop immediately. All right, I want to take this trade. This is a very beautiful trade, man. This is awesome. All right, again, we have the third touch breakout, first touch, second touch, higher high, and then the breakout, right? And this is, in general, is a support in the support area, so we can expect a bounce from this level. We also have this gap down, so why wouldn't we take this, right? I will show you an example of the breakout that we should avoid, and I know so many of you do not avoid that, which is bad. Let me just see. If you remember, this is the first trade that we took, and I told you it would be great if we were breaking this, because it would create the same setup. Third touch breakout, we also have higher high compared to previous high, just as this one, right? Just as this one. First touch, second touch, higher high compared to previous high, and then the breakout. But on the previous chart, if you look, it didn't break and it rejected, and it broke it on first, second, third, and fourth touch. We only want to take the trade that the third touch is after higher high and is breaking immediately. If it's a fourth touch, we don't take that trade. Okay, even if that's with the trend. We always want to go with the trend first. If that's a ranging market and there's no trend, you just need to respect support and resistance. For example, this is a ranging market. There's no major trend. We just need to go in the direction of the support and resistance. For example, if this is a buy setup down here, and we are in the support, then it's in the direction of the trend. But if we are in a resistance and we get the buy setup right here, it's against the resistance, so we don't take the trade. For example, here, I will go with the buyers for the next candle, maybe if we get the setup. We have uptrend here, we have ABC to the buyer's favor. If we go to a lower time frame, if I get this, okay, this is a unfresh demand, that's why I'm not taking this. Yeah, I don't see any supply here, that's why I'm just not going to take it. All right, we didn't get a retracement here. If I was getting a retracement, okay, no, I don't want to take this trade. If we were getting this retracement, most likely we could have the next candle as a green one. But now I just don't take it. All right, we finally found the doji break. It's an uptrend in a ranging type of movement. There's also a decision point up here. I want to take this. Oh my god, I hate this gap down, man. It's going to make us lose this trade. The gap down here is in the favor of buyers. Most likely even if they dropped, they rejected the last seconds. And I have a big risk right here to take this trade. Let's just see how it is going to play out. We have also common points of rejection right here if you look. So this area would be a good entry for buy. Yeah, I hope they don't yeah, they're rejecting. They're rejecting at the last seconds. Today's session was not good at all. All right, the sellers entered again and we won the trade. Nice, thank God. All right, so now the better thing to do here would be don't taking the trade, or using smaller amount, using 200, okay, instead of 1,000. If you're trading with $10, you should put $2 on this one. If you trade with $100 per trade, you need to put $20 on this one, okay? 20% of your normal account, a normal amount, because this is a risky trade. It could easily give us this hammer candle, easily, okay? If it was coming down enough at the beginning of the candle, if it was dropping strongly to this common point of rejection, it would eventually, reject, and at the last seconds, it would close like that. But we were lucky that it didn't touch this common point of rejection, and it didn't have a lot of bars in it. You see this bars right here? It could show themselves up on this candle, okay? So that's why I say that the gap down is in the favor of buyers, especially if the trend is also with the buyers. You just need to avoid. I really like to stop right now, man. Let me just see. All right, fair enough. I'm just going to stop right here. I know that today's session is not good. Sometimes we have this kind of sessions. That's why it's always better to stop trading in bad charts, bad markets. If you see a lot of weird movements, just stop trading. It's much better than losing your money, okay? Thank you for watching, everybody, and peace out.